The universe is way stranger than you think. You might look up at the sky and see a few stars, but behind that simple view is a reality filled with impossible numbers, wild physics, and mysteries that scientists still cannot explain. So let's explore some of the coolest and most mind-blowing facts about the universe in a way that actually makes sense. Space is the one place where the deeper you look, the weirder everything becomes. Galaxies larger than anything we can imagine, stars exploding with more energy than our sun will ever produce, planets made of diamonds, and even places where time does not behave the way it does on Earth. So here are some fun but unbelievable facts about our universe. 1. The universe is larger than our minds can handle. Right now, the observable universe is about 93 billion light-years across. That means if you traveled at the speed of light, which is already impossible for humans, it would take 93 billion years to go from one end to the other. And here is the crazy part. That is only the part we can see. The real universe might be much bigger, maybe infinite. 2. There are more stars than grains of sand. Scientists estimate there are around 200 billion trillion stars in the universe. To make that easier to imagine, think about every beach on Earth, every grain of sand. Now multiply that number by 10. That is how many stars might exist. And each star could have its own planets. So the number of worlds out there is almost impossible to count. 3. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus spins so slowly that one full rotation takes more than 200 days. But it only takes about 225 days to orbit the Sun, meaning a single day on Venus is actually longer than a Venus year. Imagine living on a planet where the Sun barely moves across the sky, for there are floating water reservoirs in space. Scientists found a giant cloud of water vapor in space that is 12 billion years old. It holds 140 trillion times more water than all the oceans on Earth combined. It is basically a cosmic ocean floating in the middle of nowhere. It shows that the ingredients for life might be spread throughout the universe. 5. Neutron stars are insanely dense. A neutron star forms after a massive star explodes. These stars are extremely tiny, about the size of a city, but they are so dense that a single spoonful of neutron star material would weigh around 1 billion tons. That is the weight of a mountain squeezed into a teaspoon. 6. There are more galaxies than we thought. For a long time, scientists believed the universe had around 100 billion galaxies. New discoveries suggest there are probably more than 2 trillion. That is 20 times more than we once believed. Every galaxy has billions of stars. It makes Earth feel incredibly small. 7. The universe is still expanding faster and faster. You might think the universe slowed down after the Big Bang, but it is actually speeding up. Galaxies are moving away from each other faster over time. Scientists believe something called dark energy is pushing everything apart. The strange part is that we have no idea what dark energy really is. 8. You are made of stardust. Almost every element in your body was created inside a star that exploded billions of years ago. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, the oxygen you breathe, all of it came from stars. So when people say we are made of stardust, it is not poetry. It is literally true. Let's wrap it up. The universe is filled with things we understand, things we think we understand, and things we have not even discovered yet. The more we learn, the stranger everything becomes. But that is exactly what makes it so fascinating. We are tiny, but we are part of something incredibly huge and unbelievably mysterious.